See, it's dripping. As you will see, it'll shut off at the end of the fill cycle. This original well-made American Standard ball cap that came in these toilets. I had to put this back in because the Corky Quiet fill valve that I replaced it with was failing to shut off and was overfilling the tank and thus wasting water. But you'll note, once this does shut off, and I flush it again, see that? I have ordered a repair kit for that off of Amazon so that I can correct that problem. And you notice this thing works and flushes a lot better than it gets all off in here. Which is why I went back to it. And when it throws water, the water leaks out of the side of the tank and down to the bottom here, and I don't want it leaking down to the second floor. So as soon as that kit comes in, it should be coming in between the 11th and the 13th. I'll be able to correct that problem so that the water won't be spewing out of the back of the fill valve. But other than that, this thing works perfectly fine, flushes greatly. Way better than the 2003 Plea that used to be in here. Alright, once it's fixed, we'll get an updated video. Bye for now.